In a world buzzing with digital noise, a simple nature journal can offer a haven for mental rejuvenation. By venturing into serene landscapes, individuals engage deeply with the rhythmic pulse of nature, capturing observations and reflections with pen to paper. This mindful practice not only grounds the participant, but also fosters a keen awareness of the surrounding beauty, bolstering personal insight and emotional resilience. As they document the vibrant details of a dew-kissed morning or the quiet majesty of a towering oak, they unlock a deeper connection to the world and, in turn, themselves. Through this tactile engagement with nature, the journal becomes more than just pages. It transforms into a personal narrative of growth and mindfulness.